Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you subscribe and you want to see more, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm diving right in. I just received my PR package from Ipsy. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. They are making some changes rolling out this month, so I'm very excited and very intrigued to get into this box. If you're new to my channel, when I get my PR Ipsy bag, this is just a quick unboxing and a spoiler for you guys. This is just to showcase what could be in your box for the month, or if you're new to the subscription box, then maybe you can get an idea for yourself of what could come in a box. Then towards the end of the month, when I get my paid for Ipsy Glam bag, we take everything that I love and that I'll keep and use from this bag and everything that I love and keep from my paid bag, and we put it all on our faces. Also, I typically do pay it forwards or secret giveaways throughout tons of my videos. So if you like giveaways, if you love beauty content, I also do plus size fashion. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family. And if you're curious about all the different changes through Ipsy, I do have a couple shorts videos, so you can look those up. But if you do get Ipsy, you would have also gotten an email. Everything's kind of just haphazardly thrown in, and some months I get it wrong. I do apologize, but this is how our package comes, and that bag is beautiful. So here is the OG bag. This is a $13 monthly bag where you receive the bag and 5 mini like travel try-me size items. Occasionally we get lucky and we get a full-size product. I think this is stunning. I really love the zipper pull on this. I think this is beautiful, y'all. All right. We have our Ipsy Open Studios. Thank you to Ipsy for gifting March 2023, which happens to be my birthday month. You are watching this on Wednesday, and my birthday's on Sunday, March 5th, and I will be 44 years old. If we are twins, if we are birthday twins, if your birthday is on March 5th, comment down below and let me know. If not, do you have a birthday in March, or are you a Pisces? Happy birthday if so. So this says, March 2023, step into your power. This month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. As your biggest allies on the journey to self-expression and confidence, we're giving you everything you need to embrace your unique beauty. From a feel-good beauty routine to a community of inspiring women cheering you on along the way. Because when women come together, we're not only powerful, we're unstoppable. I love that. All right, so let's dive into our OG bag first. And first up, I see a Glow On, I think it says Fifth Beauty, the Pore Perfect Detoxifying Mud Mask. Because I do have very dry skin, I don't typically use anything that's clay or mud, so I will pass that along. Next up is the Hey Honey Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. I really love Hey Honey also as a brand, and I like to keep the minis. The main reason that I really love getting my standard OG Ipsy Glam bag is because I actually love the minis. And for me, I feel like getting a makeup bag and then 5 products is well worth my $13 because we travel to see our son regularly, so I like having minis like this. I like this. Next up is something that I have and I use almost every single day before I start filming. This is the Kinship Bright Wave Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. I actually have on some right now, and I keep it right here in my top drawer with my eye drops. So every day before I film, I'll do eye drops. I put my little cream, and then I'll put a little bit of a base. What I love about this eye cream is that it has a little bit of a kind of peachiness to it, a little bit of like yellowness. So for me, I feel like it takes down just a little bit of like discoloration, a little bit of the blueness, and it helps to brighten. So I'm excited. I'm actually going to stick this right here in the same little cup in my very top drawer with the other stuff. I'm excited to have that. Next up is a Pear Nova. This says Pear Nova Lunar Lip Style in the shade Rocket Ship. I will also put this in my pay it forward pile. And then last for this little bag is a Tarte Lash Treat little mini mascara. I definitely have plenty of mascaras. It's one of my most purchased and most used products, but I don't need this because I have a ton. So we got our little Kinship eye cream, which I love. I already know that I love it. So if you do get it, please, please, please try it out. We got that. We got the liner, the mascara, the Hey Honey, and the mud mask. So I'm going to put those to the side. Now we're going to go into the plus. And you will always get a corresponding bag. And I like that they do corresponding and not necessarily like matchy-matchy. Look how freaking beautiful that is. Oh, I love this. I love the set. This I'm keeping this month. And I don't normally keep them. This I'll put to the side for you guys. And right on top, something I need. It is First Aid Beauty or Fab Beauty Mineral Sunscreen Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 30, safe for sensitive skin. Of course, it is a full size, so that is what that looks like. I'm really, really excited to try this. I've never tried the First Aid Beauty sunscreens. I typically use the La Roche-Posay or I use Supergoop. They're my all-time favorites, but if you've tried this, let me know. I am going to keep it because I spend a lot of time outdoors. And I protect my face as much as I can. Like, my arms and stuff are always like 8,000 shades darker than my face is. Anyways, next up is the Ren Everclear Barrier Support Elixir. Clean to skin, clean to the planet, nourishes and soothes. That is also obviously a full size. I have plenty of stuff like this. I've actually been kind of layering and using this product that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag. So because I have plenty, because I'm already kind of currently using a skincare regimen, I'm going to go ahead and put this in my Pay It Forward pile as well. Next up is an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pasadena. Oddly enough, and I can't believe I'm about to say this because I used to solely use liquid lipsticks, I don't really like them very much anymore. And it was because glosses up until a few years ago were so incredibly thick and heavy and tacky and gloopy and gave you like a little butthole lips and your hair would stick to it. So I hated glosses. I hated them. Now I'm obsessed, but I'm more of like a lip treatment, lip oil beauty. But this, I think it's a beautiful color. So I like it. I'm not mad at the blend so far. Not seeing a lot of makeup though. And I know that you guys love the makeup in the boxes. Next up is a Lavito Musk and Coconut Aromatic Body Lotion. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. That sounds really, really nice. That is also, of course, a full size. I'm gonna debate on this because I'm still using up a couple of Frank Body products. We'll see. And I've also never heard of this brand, which I don't mind that. I like to see a new brand in the boxes. And then last up is the Wander Beauty Sunkissed Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Their foundation is one of my favorites of all time. I like their mascaras. I like their oils. I think they overall are a really beautiful brand. That is so stinking cute. Seriously, that's adorable. Am I going to keep it? Probably not. But we have a blush, bronzer, and highlight. And then a little quad of eyeshadows. I think that's super, super convenient. My thing with this is not going to work for very many skin tones. So hopefully it came in different shades. It doesn't say on here whether or not it's like number 1 or number 2. But I think it's cute. I really like it. And it feels incredibly heavy too. So for our plus, we had our Wander Beauty and our lipstick. As far as makeup product, we had our sunscreen, skincare, and a lotion. From this, all of this, I'm only going to be keeping probably the body lotion and the sunscreen, and then of course that little eye cream. I think I am going to go ahead and do a giveaway. You're going to be entering to win the Wander Beauty palette, the Ofra lipstick, the Ren skincare, and the minis, and the bag. My rules are always the same, but basically you're going to be subscribed. You must be publicly subscribed. You're going to leave a genuine comment down below and share the video out. Sharing is caring, sharing is free, and how we get our names and our channels out to the YouTube algorithm world. You must be 18 and be in the US, please. And that ends 2 weeks from today at 2 p.m. Eastern. All rules and stuff are always down below. Based on this particular box, not my favorite blend. I feel like we could have gotten a little bit more makeup, although I don't mind skincare. And of course, I'm never mad to have product personally for myself because I do have a channel and because I can give back. We're going to have to see. I'm not super excited or super blown away. Like, I'm not sitting here saying, oh, I hope I get X, Y, or Z in my own personal bag. I don't know, you guys. I'm on the fence. The bags, gorgeous. And I think overall it's well curated. I definitely would like to have seen a little bit more makeup, and I think you guys typically feel that way as well. So that is all I'm keeping from this box. Thank you again to Ipsy for gifting, and thank you to you beauties for coming and spending some time with me. I appreciate your time so, so much. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties. Good luck.